Bala's Journal Summer Special Series.
Ami Cactus Milkshake.
Welcome back to Bala's Journal. Summer is almost here and we have to stay hydrated. So you guys have to drink lots of water, eat fruits, drink milkshakes, smoothies, and many other stuff. So today I'm going to show you how to make a Lotus Biscoff Milkshake. Now let's see the ingredients. First you need your Lotus Biscoff cookies or biscuits. Then you need 2 scoops of ice cream and then crushed Lotus Biscoff milkshake so we can decorate our smoothie. Then if you guys want extra sweetness or something, you guys can add extra sugar. And we also need 1 full glass of cold milk. Now let's see how to make our Lotus Biscoff milkshake. So you guys will see 2 biscuits in each packet. So we're just going to add 4 Lotus Biscoff biscuits. Now let's see how to make our milkshake. First, take your blender, then add your Lotus biscuits. Now let's crush them. Now we crushed our Lotus biscuits. Now let's add our milk and ice cream. First, I'm adding our cold glass of milk. Then add 2 scoops of your ice cream. Now take your sugar. Just add 1 teaspoon. Now let's blend it again. Our Lotus Biscoff milkshake is ready. Let's pour it into our cup and then we can decorate it. Ooh. Now take your Lotus Biscoff biscuit crumbs and just decorate it. Now our Lotus Biscoff milkshake is ready. It looks very delicious. If you guys think this milkshake looks very yummy and delicious, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And more summer special series are coming very soon. Thank you.